You know that moment when you're on an epic hike, watching the sun dip below the horizon and you're stuck wondering, should I grab my camera to save this forever or just sit back and soak it all in? The right drone can give you the best of both worlds. Thanks to the newest advancements, you're looking at state-of-the-art features like stunning 6K video and immersive FPV options. Oh, and don't forget to check out our links. It'll hook you up with the latest deals on everything we're about to cover. Let's dive in. All right, number 6, DJI Neo, a total game changer. The DJI Neo kicks things off in the value pack category with its latest release. Weighing just 135 grams, it's smaller and lighter than most smartphones. That means you can easily slip it into your jacket pocket or backpack. And here's the best part, because it's so light, it doesn't need FAA registration, saving you both time and hassle. Now let's talk performance. The 4K Ultra HD stabilized video is a winner across the board. Whether you're filming your kids playing in the yard or capturing stunning views along a seaside trail, Neo's rock-solid stabilization ensures your footage stays buttery smooth, even on windy days. While many drones in this price bracket top out at 1080p, Neo leaps ahead with crisp 4K quality. That's a massive upgrade, and to top it off, flying this little powerhouse is a breeze. You can launch it straight from your hand, and the AI-powered subject tracking makes following people, pets, or even yourself completely effortless. Want cinematic shots? Neo has you covered with 8 quick shot modes that let you create professional-style videos without breaking a sweat. Perfect for posting on socials, no editing skills required. And if you're worried about crashes, don't be. The propeller guards are there to protect you, whether you're navigating tight indoor spaces or weaving through trees outside. Oh, and did we mention the 54-minute flight time? Thanks to the 3-battery combo, you've got plenty of time to get those epic shots. For the price, this drone is seriously impressive. Number 5. Holy Stone HS900, a solid pick for photographers. If you're all about snapping stunning shots from above, the Holy Stone HS900 deserves your attention. Weighing just 249 grams, about the same as a cheeseburger, this drone skips FAA registration and keeps things ultra-portable. But enough about the weight, let's dive into what really matters, those amazing visuals. The standout feature? A 4K camera with a Sony sensor. Think of it like having a premium smartphone camera, but it can fly. With 48 megapixel photo resolution, your images are packed with detail and color. Whether you're capturing wide-open landscapes or zooming in on the action, the HS900 outshines most drones in this range, which often cap out at 12 megapixels or 1080p video. This one, it delivers sharp, social media-ready visuals straight out of the box. Now let's talk stability. The 3-axis gimbal is a lifesaver for avoiding shaky footage. Even on windy days, your shots will stay silky smooth and cinematic. On top of that, the built-in GPS and auto-return features are perfect for hassle-free flying, especially for beginners. If the drone strays too far or the battery gets low, it'll automatically find its way back to you. No stress, no drama. As if that's not enough, the HS900 charges up in under an hour, offers a range of up to 20,000 feet, and checks every box we look for in a photography drone. It's a definite thumbs up from us. Number 4. DJI Avata 2, the ultimate FPV drone. First-person view technology is taking the drone world by storm, and if you want the full pilot experience, the DJI Avata 2 is the way to go. It comes with a pair of goggles that completely immerse you, making you feel like you're actually flying through the clouds. And it's not just a fun gimmick. The Avata 2 delivers an ultra-smooth video feed with virtually no lag, leaving other FPV drones that struggle with choppy visuals in the dust. Plus, the seamless feed eliminates any worries about motion sickness. One standout feature? The motion controller. Instead of wrestling with a complicated joystick, you control the drone with simple hand movements. It's incredibly intuitive and adds a whole new level of fun. Even if you're a total newbie, you'll feel like an FPV master right from the start. No frustrating learning curve required. As for video quality, the Avata 2 doesn't mess around. It shoots in crisp 4K at 60 frames per second with a 155-degree super-wide field of view. Whether you're weaving through forest trails or catching jaw-dropping views of coastal cliffs, your footage will look stunning. Most FPV drones top out at 1080p, so this 4K capability is a game changer. On the safety side, built-in propeller guards keep you covered for close-quarters flying, and if you opt for the Fly More combo, you'll have 3 batteries for extended flight time. For FPV enthusiasts and newcomers alike, a DJI Avata 2 is a total winner. Highly recommended. Number 3. Ruko F11 Pro 2. 6K powerhouse. If crystal clear image quality is at the top of your wish list, prepare to be blown away by the 6K visuals on the Ruko F11 Pro 2. At the core of this drone is a high-end Sony lens that delivers vibrant colors and razor-sharp details, putting it leagues ahead of the standard cameras you'll find on most drones. While many drones in this category max out at 1080p or even 4K, the F11 Pro 2 takes things to the next level. Stability is also top-notch thanks to the 3-axis brushless gimbal. Whether you're flying through gusty winds or uneven landscapes, you can count on smooth, steady footage every time. And here's where it gets even better: the night mode. Shooting after sunset or in low-light conditions is usually a nightmare for drones, but the F11 Pro 2 makes it effortless. Imagine capturing stunning cityscapes at night or the warm glow of a beachside bonfire. This drone handles it all like a pro. With 70 minutes of flight time split between 2 batteries and a transmission range of 10,000 feet, you've got plenty of room to explore. Plus, intelligent GPS features like Follow Me and waypoint planning ensure even total beginners can capture pro-level shots without breaking a sweat. If you're after jaw-dropping camera quality with all the bells and whistles, the Ruko F11 Pro 2 is a tough one to beat. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro 2, the ultimate premium choice. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line drone, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro sets the standard for what premium really means. The highlight here: the incredible Hasselblad camera with a Sony sensor. It delivers breathtaking 20-megapixel photos and 4K video that are packed with vibrant colors and stunning clarity. Unlike most mid-range drones that struggle with challenging lighting conditions, a Mavic 3 Pro excels in capturing the perfect shot, whether it's a glowing sunrise or a bustling cityscape. What really makes the Mavic 3 Pro stand out is its omnidirectional obstacle sensing. In simple terms, it's equipped with 8 sensors that work together to detect and avoid obstacles from all directions. This not only adds a major safety boost, but also makes flying this drone a stress-free experience. On top of that, the 43-minute flight time per charge blows away most competitors, which usually max out around 25 to 30 minutes. And let's not forget the jaw-dropping 50,000 feet transmission range, letting you explore far and wide with zero connectivity issues. Another standout feature is the included DJI RC controller, which has a built-in screen. No more messing around with attaching your phone. This controller is ready to go straight out of the box and makes flying super simple. Add in extras like 10-bit color grading for pro-level footage and vision assist technology, and you've got a drone that's as premium as it gets. If you're after the best of the best, this is it. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro, the ultimate all-rounder. Meet the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the undisputed champion of today's lineup and the top choice for anyone looking for the best drone overall. Weighing in at under 249 grams, it's lighter than your average smartphone, meaning no need for FAA registration or dealing with extra paperwork. Convenience? Check. Let's talk visuals. The 4K HDR camera delivers jaw-dropping results, a massive upgrade over the 1080p standard you'll see on most drones. Plus, its vertical video capabilities are a game changer, especially if you're all about creating Instagram stories or TikToks. No cropping, no quality loss, just perfect, shareable content every time. Flying the Mini 4 Pro is an absolute breeze thanks to its omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Think of it as your co-pilot, keeping an eye on every direction so you can navigate trees, buildings, or tight spaces without breaking a sweat. Flight time: a solid 34 minutes on a single charge, with the option to extend that using additional batteries. Oh, and the video transmission range: an industry-leading 65,000 feet. Yes, you read that right. The intelligent flight modes like active shots, quick shots, and 360 make it easy to capture cinematic, professional quality footage, even if it's your first time flying a drone. You don't need to be an expert. The Mini 4 Pro makes you look like one. Simply put, this drone is unbeatable. That wraps it up for today, folks. We hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep doing what we do. And hey, let us know in the comments. Are you after a drone for epic photography, or is capturing stunning video your main focus? Stay safe, take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.